Hi, my name is Daemon Jones. I was looking for help with my business because my sales and leads had been decreasing for 15 months and everything I tried wasn't working. I knew Tom Jackobs for about 5 years. He had helped me with different pieces of my business over time. One of the things we decided to do was look at my stats because I had stats that I had stopped taking. We re-implemented the stats and I started looking at them every week. Tom held me accountable for those stats. The second thing was live events. Tom encouraged me to do live events in addition to my webinar. Third thing that we worked on was picking 3 topics that I would do marketing through emails and marketing through social media. And I focus on those 3 topics over and over and over again so we could set up emails, automations, and systems around how to do the webinars so that I wasn't creating extra work. My income is up. I made goal in January for the first time in 4 or 5 months, and I've actually exceeded goal in February. So I am doing much better and I'm having much more success. I've increased my revenue, which has been important, and we're looking at my stats to maintain my revenue. I feel more confident and willing to do live events because my webinars are doing well. Absolutely have a conversation with him. Tom is a very solution-oriented person. And one of the things that I love about working with him is I feel like it's a dialogue. Some of the coaches I work with, they were like, well, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? And he gives me his experience based on the work that he's done with other practitioners like myself. So I feel like not only am I getting someone to talk through the problem with, but I'm getting someone who has industry information to help as well. So I definitely would recommend working with him and then helping me figure out the systematic approach so that it doesn't seem overwhelming to do multiple marketing and sales events. If you need help in any of those areas, he has some solutions to help you solve your problem.